At this point, I'd like to call in to sing more songs. She's Mommy's Kababayan. She's also Bisaya. My mom loved this woman very much, and she loved my mom very much. I will have her tell you her story, her memories of Mamita, and I'm just very happy, very, very happy that she's here. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dulce.
Ito yung pinaka-unang-unang sumikat na awit na Cebuano all over the world dahil po sa pagkaka-interpret and recorded by Miss Pilita Corrales. And of course, since the time na narinig ito ng tao, narinig ko sa mga radyo, ito na yung naging inspirasyon ng lahat. Kung paano din ako nakapagsimula sa music industry. Actually, noong ano po, sa Cebu, nasa probinsya pa, sa barrio ako. Kumakanta na kasi ako sa mga night spots at 12 years old. Ang araw, ganun, kahit saan lang sumasamba ng awit. And merong nagregalo sa akin ng album, double album ni Miss Pilita Corrales, yung Pilita Emotion. But wala kasi akong turntable at wala naman kami kuryente, wala din kami kapitbahay na puntahan para mapatugtog ko siya. Ang ginawa ko po doon sa album, dahil tuwa ko dahil commercial. Tinako ko siya sa may buka ako matutulog. Siya nandyan, nakapako siya doon. Hindi ko akalain na nagkinagkaroon na makilala ko siya. First, that was yung blackout that was when I was 12, but I met her when I was 14. When Pai, your uncle, Pai Ronales, would go and watch me, listen to me in Cebu restaurant in Makati. And one day, dinala niya si Miss Pilita at itinakilala niya ako. Mula noon, sabi siya yung inspirasyon ko, and when I started the recording industry in Manila, I was 16 already. And medyo struggle yun kasi parang nung araw kasi kung galing kang Bisaya, iba yung hindi pa talaga masyadong noon, ang mga Bisaya, lalo na pango. Oo, kasi parang wala kang karapatan, but you know, if you have a Pilita Corrales fighting for you and standing, that's telling me na, I got you. So, nanindigan ako. And yes, dumating naman yung panahon na tinanggap naman ako. And I owe a lot to Miss Pilita. Hindi na sa music industry, but ilang pamilya, lalo na ang mga anak ko lumaki na sa nakikita parang grandmother nila. You know that Ninong Carlos. And she's also my Ninang Carlos. And nakakatuwa lang kasi with Inday, Dr. Inday, meron siyang forever kay Ninong Carlos. Sa akin, wali. So, alam mo na yun. But, hanggang nandun ang Pilita sa Green Hills, gabi na kami nandoon. And we talk a lot, and my children just grew up with the family there. And in fact, my daughter was now my manager. Ang kuko niya, inspiration is because she would go to Pilitas, Mama, I just want to see Tita Pilitas nails. So, pinanibigan yung kuko ako, hindi ko kaya. I would like to do this song, ito ang pinaka-kinalang ang nasubuan because of her. So, sige po, ito ay sinalag ni Renzo Bill.